What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your host Maze, and today we're gonna do the long-awaited VENNY new jazz tutorial. I haven't done this style in a while, so I was just scrolling through YouTube, looking at, you know what I mean, looking at what's going on in the scene, and I saw my boy Isaac. I saw his short. I'm gonna be using a similar progression to his. Shout out to Isaac. It's crazy how many different subgenres are inside of new jazz. Like, there's so many different styles of new jazz in new jazz. Just be like, yo bro, this isn't jazz, what are you talking about? Come on, buddy. Anyway, so for this kind of style, I'd recommend you keep your BPMs between like 130 to about like 140-ish. That being said, let's do 130 for this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a key. So I'm going to go to my Me and Me kit, and I'm going to get this piano one shot. Let's grab this one right here. For a scale, for this kind of style, most of the time it is major. So we're going to do, what are we going to do? B? We're going to do B major. Yeah, and then I think 4 down right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's start building our chords from here now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. Let's get rid of that. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4, 1, 2. Yeah. And then here, let's change this note color and try to make it slide. When you change the note color and add a slide note in that note color, that will be the only note that slides. So, a little free game right there. Ooh. Let's do the same thing right here. Keep that one chill. Vibes, you know what I'm saying? Got that tropical juice. Let's keep building out this melody. So I'm gonna grab this key just as like a top line kind of layer. And I think what we're gonna do is something like this right here. Let's try that. Maybe let's flip it right here like that. Hit Option Y to flip. Okay, so now we have our bass chords down and we have this little accent. Let's grab a lead, and for the lead you want to grab something kind of like a bit weird, you know, maybe like a crispy sign or something kind of like deep fried and weird. I'm try some of these sounds from this new kit I'm working on. If you want to make any one shot glide, go over here to this wrench and then hit porta on, mono on, and set this to 1. See what I'm saying? And for these kind of beats you want to use a lot of third steps. So you see like right here how it's like kind of like a third. Dude, I can't get that lead how I want it, you know? Alright, let's just start on the drums. Let's start on the drums. Let's get a clap. Let's get a hi-hat. And then for this kind of beat, you want to use like 3 or 4 808s, just kind of go crazy, you know? So I'm going to start off with this one, and let's just follow our root note. I hate when it's like this little bit is off. It's so annoying. Let's get this. That's crazy. Choose these weird ones from my Met kit. we take these and we put them in here. I'm gonna redo that lead. It's not doing it for me. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Switch this whole thing around, man. It's out of slide. We have one more 808, brother. Yeah, this is nuts. Dude, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this video because I just like started it and then I went back and forth like a million times. So I don't really know how I'm gonna clip this together, but we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Oh, my camera over here. I'm just gonna arrange it now. Let's get all these melodies. I think I added like a melody or something like that, and then just like a few effects. I really hope I can clip this into a good video because it started rough.
Wow.
makes this part unique. Alright boys, so here's the final beat.
Lazy on his face.
Alright boys, so that's the final beat right there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. Shout out to Venny, shout out to Isaac, shout out to you guys. And if you guys haven't already, just hit that sub. We're on road to 10K. Let's hit that this month. That's the goal. I'm gonna do some sort of free kit for you guys, so be ready for that. If you guys want any of the sounds that I used in this video, go check out my kits. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Join our Discord, Beat Battle September 7th. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.